Welcome to this technical guide on the iRobot 880. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your iRobot 880 isn't cleaning properly, it can be frustrating. This issue often arises due to worn-out batteries or clogged filters, which can hinder the vacuum's suction power. If left unfixed, your device may become less efficient over time, leading to an even bigger cleaning headache. To tackle this issue, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery, and a new filter. Now, let's start the repair process. First, ensure your iRobot 880 is turned off and unplugged. Carefully flip the device over to access the bottom panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the panel in place. Keep these screws safe as you'll need them later. Once the panel is off, you'll see the battery compartment. The battery is typically located near the center of the device. Gently disconnect the battery by lifting it out of its compartment, taking care not to pull on any cables too forcefully. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and carefully align it in the compartment, ensuring that the connectors match up correctly. Once it's seated properly, press down until it clicks into place. Next, locate the filter compartment, which is usually next to the battery. Remove the old filter by pulling it out gently. Insert the new filter, ensuring it fits snugly in its place. After replacing both the battery and the filter, it's time to reattach the bottom panel. Align the panel back onto the device and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tightened adequately, but take care not to over-tighten, as this may damage the plastic. Now that everything is back in place, flip your iRobot 880 back over and turn it on. Run a quick test to ensure it's cleaning properly. If everything seems to be working well, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check and clean the filters, and replace the battery every couple of years to ensure optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.